The idea for liquid pencil first came about after I saw some etchings at a printmaker, I think it was Works on Paper show, and they were large etchings and had aquatint on them, and it really captured my imagination. Now I knew, and they were done in a black graphite ink, and I knew you could get that effect from the acrylic graphite paint that we already made, but the issue was, having to add quite a few mediums, and it was going to be a bit problematic getting to that point, or you couldn't get there quickly. So what we came up with was liquid pencil, which not only, the acrylic graphite works perfectly, lays down, burnishes up nicely like a normal graphite pencil. You can do vast areas with it, which is quite hard to do with a graphite pencil. But the liquid pencil takes it one step further, that you can reduce it down with water and get those aquatint-like effects, as well as all the other bonuses that you get out of the acrylic. That's the permanent liquid pencil. So it will remain, unless you reduce it right down with water, it will remain quite permanent, versus the rewettable liquid pencil, which works more like a watercolour. You can pretty well lift it straight back up, and it doesn't matter how long it's been dry for. It can be dry for months, and yet it will lift straight back up again. We've also, to give a bit of variation, the colours all, while mass tone, their top tone all look the same, they all have a slightly different undertone, a red, a blue, a yellow, or indeed sepia. And because we use two different graphites, we've actually separated those out in a grey 9 and a grey 3, and they are quite different when you look down at the detail of them. So when adding water to the liquid pencil, you can wash them right out, as well as obviously keeping them quite concentrated. They're terrific to sketch with on plein air or anywhere, obviously. So we're really proud of liquid pencil. We won an award in Frankfurt at Paper World a while ago. But why don't you be the judge and give it a try? We think you'll really like it.